Good morning, everybody. I've got sun coming in every which way this morning. I've decided it's been long enough. I need to make a fall wreath. So this here is going to be the ribbon that I'm going to use. It's very, very pretty. I apologize, any shaking. I've got my tripod up on the table. I've just got a bunch of fall flowers, all sorts here all over the table. And we're going to use this straw wreath here. And for the starter of it, I've got a couple long garlands. And we got my glue gun here. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna wrap the garland around any which way. You know me, you never know. Just like this. I like to get things done early in the morning because I've got a lot of things going on today. A lot of things going on today. You know how I am. I always got something. I got herbs to do. Now we'll take this, put a gob here. I've got herbs to do today. I've got, I'd like to get some donuts baked up today. I've got laundry today. We might, whoops, we might get a frost tonight. So, you know what? I've never seen that happen before. That's melting it right off. That's weird. I don't know how this is gonna work. It's always a good idea to have a little bowl of ice water when you're working with this. That way you're not, if you burn yourself, you can put your fingers right in ice water real quick and it will help. And I'd like to go get my hair cut today, but I don't know if I'll have enough time. This really is being obstinate this morning. See if we can hold that there for a minute. Just like that. Get that in there. Probably should have just stuck it in the bale of hay. It's going to be a beautiful day here. I don't know what the temp is. I do know they're calling for a frost tonight. That I do know. Oh, maybe this isn't gonna work. We have to go to plan B here. I always got a plan. I always got a backup plan. Put those like that, see if that will work. And I have 2 of these. And then we'll start the other one. Right where this one left off. Hopefully it doesn't fall off. Owie, I just stuck my finger in the hot glue. See? Boy, I'm gonna be a hot mess by the time this gets done. I don't think I'll work with one of these wreaths again. I'm not too happy. It's something I had, so I'm using it. But I don't think I'll use it again. Again, I'm not real happy about it. Well, I guess that's gonna stay, which is a good thing. Finally. There. And I do got wire if I wanted to use that, but I chose to go this route. Now we can peel that right off. Boy, I've gone 4 minutes already. Wow, I gotta step the game up here or I won't be able to post this. Okay, put that like that. I have lots and lots of different flowers. I haven't decided if I wanted to go like this or if I wanted to take these off. For some reason, it's telling me I want to take them off. I like to be different. And so we're just gonna hot glue this on just like this. Hopefully it'll work. If not, I'll boo-hoo about that. But I'll be doing a lot of boo-hooing today, won't I? Oh, I got cutters here somewhere. I don't think these will cut, but we'll try it. Oh, they did. Lucky me. I'm gonna just go like this. Try to get this going so I don't have to keep you guys, and this will come out. For some reason I don't make my files small, and I can't go over 10 minutes because it just won't download for me. And I don't really know why. I like sunflowers. They're probably one of my favorites. Of course, I gotta have this over. I wonder, yeah, that looks better. I was thinking, I wonder if I could change this, but I don't have an outlet on my right. I gotta go left. See, nothing's working with me this morning, but that's okay. Hey, it is what it is. And my camera's low on battery space. So that's not good. Let's see, we're just trying to get a bunch of different stuff here. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. It's apple season here. There. And a lot of folks are out at the apple orchard. We went and got some apples. That's something else I've got to work on for upcoming videos. I've got apples. I've got tomatoes. Ow, I just get some more on my finger. I've got tomatoes. I've got apples. Yeah, that's all I need besides my herbs to work up. So my day is pretty much taken right straight through for a while, but that's okay. Hey, it is what it is. I'd just like to share that I got most of my flowers at Dollar Tree, and I did get a bundle from Dollar General. Not much, but I did get a little bundle there. Let's put this one right here. There. I don't think I can do a whole one. I'm gonna have to stop and probably come back and show you when it's finished, but I just wanted to give you an idea. This is how I make mine. It's nothing fancy because of the time frame, but I wanted to share with you. I like to share everything I can with you. I'm trying to look. I got a few more minutes. Hard for me to see. Put this over here. This isn't pushing through good. There. Once I get a few projects done up, and hopefully I'll be caught up by this weekend, I'd like to, now which way do I want to put this? I guess I'll go this way. I'd like to do something different. I'm not going to say what it is now. I like to show you how to make something. It's another craft I used to do back in the day, and it was to help needy mothers and needy families in the area. And I would donate my time to make these, and they would sell them. So that's an upcoming video. Jeez, I got all these upcoming videos here. I don't know if I really want that there, but oh well, that's where we're going to put it. I'm going to stop it here right now. This is how much I have done, and I'll bring you back when it's finished because I only have 10 or 11 minutes YouTube will let me have. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I pretty much got the wreath all done, and we're just making the ribbon. I'll show you how I'm doing that. I took a piece of ribbon, and what I like to do is find the middle point right here and just take it like this and pinch it and make a loop here. If I can get you up closer. Make a loop here and then go on this side and make a loop. You want to keep that pinched, and you can just play with it and just make another loop just like this, and you want to pinch it, and you come over here, trying to make it easier for you, and make another loop, and you want to pinch it, and you want to turn it a little, and then you just kind of, once you get what you want for loops, you just work the ribbon around, and we're going to stick it here when it's all done, and I'll bring you back when it's hanging on. Okay folks, I finished the wreath right here. I did something a little different with the bow. I just looped it up, and I have a question for y'all. Should I cut these ribbon ends that are right here up to about here, or should I just kind of crinkle it up like this? I'm doing one hand, you know, just do like a crinkle look. So what do you think? Tell me down below, because I don't like it like that long. I've got the ends clipped in a V down here, but there's just something I don't like. So actually this cost me about around $10. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up so YouTube can recognize me. Hit that little gray bell that's got the parentheses around it, and then you'll see my YouTubes that come out and my live streams. Like I say, you never know what's going to be on my videos. God bless and enjoy this fall day. Bye now.